Okay, so right now we're displaying the job postings, which is very cool, but it doesn't look very formatted. So we're going to use something called Humanize coming from Django, but it isn't installed and set up by default. So there's a few things we have to do. And Humanize gives us filters for adding a human touch. So this is things like adding commas to numbers so they appear correctly. And that's exactly what we'll use it for. So Django tells us how to use it here. To activate these filters, add django.contrib.humanize to your installed app setting. So we'll do that. And then once you've done that, we can use this load humanize tag in our template and have access to all of these filters. So the first thing we're going to do is copy over this django.contrib.humanize and add this to our installed apps, which is in our settings. So go back to the code, go back to your project settings and installed apps. I'll just add this to the end of this list here. And don't forget that trailing comma. And now we're able to access these filters in our templates. So we can go back over to our index template, and at the very top, we'll type a tag, like so. And we'll say load humanize. Nice. And so now to our salary, we can add a pipe symbol. So we can apply a filter, and we can use the int comma filter to get those commas in that number. And we'll also apply a filter to our title. We'll apply the title filter. So this is a tiny bit confusing because the field name is title as well, but this is the field name. And then we have this pipe delimiter so that we know whatever comes after this is a filter, and then we have a title. So we can save this. And now if we go back to our project and we refresh, it looks a lot better. The title is capitalized, and then our salary is formatted with a comma, so it's easier to read. Awesome, so we have this displaying correctly, but now we want to see the description and what company posted this. So we want to be able to see more details about each job posting. So in the next video, we'll set up a detail page so that we can click on one of these and actually check out its details.